Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Talk and Tell America. Ayan, nakikinig ako ngayon sa news. Day 11, Vice President Sara Duterte impeachment trial. Sus, grabe, ang dami yun, ang daming pera. Millions. Tapos itong mga millions na mga ginastos, no? Ang resibo nila puro acknowledgement receipt.
Acknowledgement receipts na walang petsa.
Wala pang pizza. Gumawa ka na lang ng acknowledgement receipt tapos wala pang pizza. Ano ba yun? Tapos we're talking about 25 million. Rentals of safe house. Ayun no. Whew. Ang laki. Kaya nga naman talaga nga hinahanapan si Sara Duterte nito kasi ang daming ini-issue ng money, millions of pesos. Tapos acknowledgement receipt lang ang kanilang evidence.
What else, Mr.
Tapos yung ibang acknowledgement receipt,
number 5 po, dun
wala
sa
pang
notice of
date.
suspension, katulad po nung sinabi ko kanina.
Alam nyo,
yung total
sa
expenses
Philippines,
nila based on the
mahilig
acknowledgement
talaga
receipt
tayong
ay
gumawa
umabot
ng mga
125
acknowledgement
million
receipt, diba?
150,000,
When I was in the Philippines, I was working in the Pacific Plants Incorporated. It's a really big worldwide company.
Let me try
I
to
was a
understand.
secretary.
Mag-issue
Chinese,
na
my boss
ng-
is a
ang
Chinese.
Total is
And I always
Mag-liquidate,
write
pero ang
acknowledgement
liquidate nila ay
receipt.
sobra sa
But
amount
when you
ng
write
150
acknowledgement receipt, you have to
Ang
have a
ginastos po
date.
nila based on the acknowledgement receipts ay sobra po
Signature
compared
by
dun sa
parties.
laman ng kanilang accomplishment report.
Itong acknowledgement receipt nila, guys, walang date.
What happened?
Importante pa naman talaga yun ang date para, syempre, evidence, proof of evidence, and we're not talking about
After po ma-issue yung notice of
thousands of
suspension,
pesos.
wala na
We're
po
talking about
personal knowledge since na-transfer na po
millions
to
of
other
pesos
sector
in
po of the
here.
Commission
So
on
why
Audit.
would you even signature or
Thank you, Mr. Witness. We
date
have
on your
just
acknowledgement
finished
receipt that we're talking about big money?
Of the last
Even
quarter
so,
of 2022.
Acknowledgement receipt should have
We are
a
mindful,
date.
Your Honor, of the request of the presiding judge to end at 2:30. Would you like us to continue? There are 3 more quarters for the Office of the Vice President and the Department of Education. We can start for 10 more minutes or we can end here. Mr.
Let's end at 2:30, Council. Let's try
Yes.
to use up the time. You get.
Bumalik si ano?
We shall now
Yung
proceed
asawa
with the
ni-
cross-examination of the council for respondent.
Nagtaka ako
Info,
ba kay
you may-
bumalik
you
ang
may
asawa
proceed
ni
when you're ready.
ni
Thank you, Your Honor.
Heart Evangelista. Kala ko ano na siya, nag-step down. Diba si Vic Soto,
Sa pagkaalala
tapos
ko
yung
po,
isa pa si
nabanggit niyo po that you
Kaitano.
were formerly with ICFAO
Tapos
as
ayun,
a state
bumalik na
auditor.
siya.
Tama po ba?
Bagay naman din
Yes,
talaga
sir.
sa kanya eh.
And you are
Yung
a
asawa
certified
ni
public
Hart.
accountant. Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
Wala.
You're also a lawyer, correct?
Yes, sir.
You passed the bar in
Accountant.
2022.
Lawyer.
2023. Okay, I stand
Bago
corrected.
lang pala.
And Mr. Wamil, you also
Bago lang siya
testified
nag-ano,
yesterday
2023 lang,
during
taon
your
lang,
direct
3 years pa lang. Maybe a little
that
bit
you were
over.
part of the team
2 years
that audited
experience.
the OPP and DepEd confidential funds. Is that correct?
Hindi po team kasi ako lang po yung nag-evaluate ng documents.
Ikaw mismo, basically nag-evaluate ng documents. Tama po ba?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, just so maintindihan lang namin how ICFAO conducts its audit. Yung mga auditors po ba, do they go to the field and observe itong mga confidential operations in person or?
Since what we do po is compliance audit, we base our audit on the documents being submitted to the ICFAO.
Okay, and do you get special training as auditors pagdating sa how confidential or intelligence operations are conducted?
No, when you
Based
audit,
po our observations on the provisions naman po ng Joint Circular 2015-01.
some auditors you can just
Okay, so
go by papers, but
basically
you
what you're
have to go
saying is you
field to
base your
field.
audit on
Like
the
for
documents
example,
submitted to you,
FDA,
not just by DepEd or
auditors ng mga
OPP, but
FDA,
by any
pupuntahan
other
talaga
government
nila yung
agency,
mga
ganyan sa ICFAO.
gusto
Based on
nilang
the
i-audit.
documents, if,
Pupuntahan
they are
talaga
compliant
niya,
with the
i-check
requirements of
nila
the
yan.
Joint Circular
Naku,
2015-01.
items by
Correct, thank you.
items.
So, pagdating po dun sa mga dokumento na natatanggap nyo from OVP and DepEd, binabasa nyo po to isa-isa, no? Lahat ng attachments.
Hindi po ako yung nag-receive noon. Meron po kaming receiving staff po.
Pero kayo po, in your evaluation, do you go through the documents one by one?
Yes po. I evaluate po if they are compliant with the requirements of the joint circular.
Okay. Now,
Yung iba dyan, hindi na binabasa,
when you
sinasign na lang
evaluate these
nila.
documents,
Umaasa sila sa
nakita
kanilang
niyo po ba doon
secretary,
kung
di ba?
sino ang nag-approve
They
ng
always
grant ng
trust their
confidential
secretary, so
funds
that's
for
why if the
OVP for
secretary says,
fourth
oh here,
quarter
sign
of
it, they just
2022.
sign it. They don't even read it.
Nakita ko po dun sa disbursement voucher po na si ASEC Limuel G. Ortonio po.
No, I mean the grant. Kasi wala po sa GAA yung OVP confidential funds for 2022 eh. So nakita niyo po ba kung sino ang nag-approve ng grant para sa fourth quarter 2022 confidential funds?
Based on the documents submitted, si Office of the President po yung nag-approve.
That's correct, Office of the President. Pagdating naman po sa OVP 2023 confidential funds, yun po ay nasa General Appropriations Act. You confirm that?
Yes po.
And pagdating naman po sa DepEd 2023 confidential funds, nasa General Appropriations Act din po. Tama po ba?
Yes po.
And as a lawyer, you would know that the GAA is enacted by Congress. Tama po ba?
That's correct.
Now, yesterday, naalala ko po, natanong kayo doon sa time nyo sa ICFAO kung ilang vice president ang na-audit nyo pagdating sa confidential funds. Alala niyo po yon?
Yes po, sir.
At ang sagot niyo po ay isa lang, si Vice President Sara Duterte, the respondent in this case. Tama po ba?
Yes po.
Tapos
Since I assumed in ICPAO in
Since-
2014.
Since you assumed in September 2014?
Yes po, sir.
Tama po. And you were asked, bakit si Vice President lang? Naalala niyo yung tanong na yun?
Yes po.
At ang sagot niyo po, kasi since you assume siya lang po ang Vice President na nagkaroon ng appropriations for confidential funds. Tama po ba?
Yes po. It's in September 2014.
Lahat i-audit
po,
nyo.
po.
Hindi
Opo.
lang yung isang
Now,
tao
I'm showing
porket
you a
i-question
document.
nyo.
If I may approach
Si
the-
Sara,
Your-
si Sara lang nang i-audit nyo. I-audit nyo lahat kayo.
I am showing you a document.
Malay mo yung iba
entitled
dyan.
Prosecutors may also
Oh, yes.
approach, should they so desire,
I'm showing you a document, and this document is from the Department of Budget and Management.
Patay, he has
Entitled
approved.
Special Allotment Release Order, dated. Medyo malabo lang po yung document, no? December 22, 2014. Nakita niyo po yan?
Kita niya
At
yan.
ang purpose po is to cover confidential activities for fiscal year 2014. You see that?
Yes, sir.
And noong December 22, 2014, nasa ICFAO na po kayo. Tama po ba?
Anong period po yan, sir?
Hindi na niya naalaala yung mga
Here- here
paperwork.
po.
So,
Date of issue, December 22, 2014.
Yes po. Nasa ICPAO po.
Tama po ba?
Mm.
At hindi po si Vice President Sara Duterte ang Vice President ng mga panahon na yun. Tama po ba?
Yes po.
Tama
Pero
po.
hindi po yan. That's the question.
That's the question to ICFAO actually because yun
Kasi
po
nga,
yung-
lahat na nga i-audit
Sa inyo
nyo eh.
is nagkaroon po
Bakit si
ng
Sara
confidential
lang?
Funds, ang Office of the Vice President noong 2014.
i-audit nyo
issued,
lahat.
December 22, 2014.
We're talking about millions,
Based on the
millions,
document po.
millions, millions,
confirm.
millions
But that's okay,
of
no?
pesos
Because maybe you were just not
from the
aware yesterday when you were asked the
taxpayer,
question. I just
Filipino
wanted to
taxpayer,
put that on
especially
record
those
because
who
marami
are
rin
in
pong
the
lumalabas sa social media na si Vice
OFW,
President Sara
like
Duterte lang
OFW,
ang
they
Vice
do
President
make
na
a
nagkaroon
lot of
ng
money
confidential
contributing
funds. But you
the
confirm.
economics in the Philippines.
Your Honors,
Huwag
just a
niyong
manifestation,
lokohin.
this has not been
Audit niyo lahat.
pre-marked. We just came upon this document yesterday after the statements were made. So upon the agreement made during pre-trial, we request that this be marked as exhibit for the defense D-1-167.
Si Sara lahat na buntungan.
OVP.
Meron pa
Thank you, sir.
meron ding mga ibang nakalista dyan, milyon-milyon na. Wala pa si Sara, hindi pa
Yes,
si
of course,
Sara
subject
ang
to the objections
VP
of,
noon.
the prosecution when the time is
Si
appropriate.
Sara tuloy lahat na buntungan.
Thank you, Your Honor. And we will provide the prosecution with a copy as well.
kindly do that
Audit nyo
after,
kasi lahat, yung
perhaps
before,
later on,
before.
after the trial, or Now too, so that it can be made
Yung asawa niya no, na Heart Evangelista, bumalik siguro. Siya nga nandyan siya
I can give you
Photocopy.
just a photo. We would like to manifest
Bagay naman
that this
talaga
is
sa
just
kanya.
a print
Matalino
out, Your
eh.
Honor, and a photocopy
Tingin ko
that
talaga
we
sa kanya
retrieved from
matalino.
the office of the Vice
I don't
President.
like Vic Soto to be and ang asawa ni Heart talaga bagay sa kanya.
Okay. Ito, bibigyan ka natin ito.
Talino.
Okay. Anyway, Mr. Witness, nung pinag-aaralan ko yung nature ng confidential funds, may mga issues
Ay, naku,
akong
guys.
nakita
Ayan,
aside
ha.
from yung
Update ko lang
JC
to.
2015
Nagpa-follow
-01
kasi ako
na
nito
parang
eh.
nami-mention kahapon
Pinapanood
and
ko yan
today.
all the time
And that is
after
COA
work.
Circular 92-985.
Marami akong mga comment pero I don't
Yun po
want
ba ay
I don't have time
familiar
to
sa inyo?
talk and chat. Just a little bit.
I can give you a copy.
And
Your Honor, I am giving the witness
I end
a
up
copy
this video.
of
I
a
will end this
document
video for
entitled
today
Commission of
and
Audit Circular Number
let's follow up
92-385
again. Today
dated
this is
October
the
21,
11th day
1992.
trial
For the
of
reference the
Bibi
court, this
Sara
was
for
marked as Exhibit
her
D-1-155.
impeachment. So let's follow up. By couple days maybe I will drop another video here. So I invite you to follow or subscribe my channel if you haven't. Please subscribe. This is Talk and Tell America. Real talk uncut.
If assisting
Bye.
counsel would like to also